All right, it's time for reading fluency. I want you to look at page 274 in your big books. We have a page of phrases. Now, we will be reading these phrases to see how fast you can read them. Today is going to be a practice reading day. So what I would like you to do is let's read them together. Everybody look at the top of the page and let's read them together. Ready? A bat. At bat. Fat cats. Fat bats. Bats at. Bats at a ball. Bats at the ball. Has a cab. Has a mat. Has a cat. Has a fat cat. Has a cat. Has cats. Has bats. A bat. A cab. In the cab. Casey in the cab. Sat in the cab. On the cat. On the mat. In the cat. That cat. That cab. That mat. That fat cat. The mat. The cat. The bat. The cab. The cats. The mats. The fat cats. The fat bats. The bats. The cabs. This cat. This fat cat. This bat. This fat bat. This cab. This mat. The mat. The bat. All right, now I will give you 1 minute timing, and you will practice silently for 1 minute. The next step that you will do is you will get in pairs and read to each other for 1 minute. If your partner makes a mistake, at the end of the 1 minute, you may correct them. Follow along and mark if they make a mistake with your pencil. Then we will see how fast you can read it. And it will be a race. Do your best on this. If you have problems, now is the time to ask how you pronounce any of the words. Okay, now we will read the first person in the pair. The other person follow along in their book. So you need to make sure that you have changed books with each other, because you need to look at their book and they need to look at your book. Okay, 1 minute. Now the second person will go for 1 minute. Okay, compare notes. Tell each other who needs to work on what words, and tomorrow we will do the same thing. But tomorrow we will graph the results. Now we will look at the next part of the phrase fluency. And this is the scoops. The scoops. Now, what we will do is we will do the scoops in our books. You can see that they've done the first one for you. Let's do them together. Ready? As you scoop, draw the line under your phrases. Ready? The cat is fat. The cat is fat. Now see how I did that on the sentence? You put the scoop where the first phrase is, and then you put the second scoop. All right? Let's do it with the rest of the scoops. Ready? Mac has the mat. Mac has the mat. Next one. Mac has the bats in the cab. Mac has the bats in the cab. The mats are in the cab. The mats are in the cab. I am at bat. I am at bat. I am Tam. I am Tam. Tam sat in the cab. Tam sat in the cab. Tam has a fat cat. Tam has a fat cat. Sam is at bat. Sam is at bat. Thank you for doing phrase fluency.
Let's talk about masterpiece sentences. Every sentence in English must have a subject and a predicate. The subject is a noun or a pronoun. The predicate is a verb. Here is an example. The boy skates. Let's ask our masterpiece questions. Who or what did it? The boy did it. The boy is a noun, person, place, or thing. In this case, the boy is a person. And what did they do? We're looking for the action. Skates is a verb. It's what the boy did. What is the question? We asked to find the subject. The question is, who or what did it? What is the question? We asked to find the predicate. What did they do? That gives us the action. All right, so let's look at our first masterpiece sentence question. Get out a sheet of paper and let's write these questions down. Who or what did it? Look at the picture. Who or what did it? Write the question. The answer is the bat. The bat did it. And what did the bat do? The bat flew. Make sure you write your question, your answer, your question, your answer, and then write the sentence. The sentence is, the bat flew. That is a complete sentence. Let's look at our next masterpiece sentence question. Who or what did it? Write the question. The answer is the cat. What did the cat do? The cat walked. Write the sentence. Make sure you put your capital letters and your periods for these sentences. The cat walked. Let's look at our next masterpiece sentence question. Who or what did it? Fish. What did the fish do? Swam. Now write the sentence. The fish swam. We have a subject, the fish, and a predicate, swam. This is a complete sentence. Make sure you put your capital letters and your periods. Look at the next page. Who or what did it? The puppy. What did he do? Sat. Oops. Write the sentence. The puppy sat. Now these sentences are not very interesting. We will get more into many predicate and subject painters where we will add all kinds of describing words, and that will make the sentences more interesting. But right now we're working on making sure all of our sentences have a subject and a predicate. One more. Who or what did it? The girl. What did she do? Ran. Write the sentence. The girl ran. You can always find what your subject is and your predicate is by asking your masterpiece sentences. Who or what did it? The girl. What did they do? Ran. Thank you. This is the end of our lesson.